Most atoms are inherently unstable. With incomplete outer electron shells, they're highly reactive, constantly seeking partners to find stability. This drive to complete their shells is the foundation of chemistry, and it gives atoms three distinct choices: steal, share, or pool their electrons. These choices create everything we see. First, there's the great electron heist, ionic bonding. This happens between a metal and a greedy nonmetal. The metal atom gives away an electron, becoming a positive ion. The nonmetal steals it, becoming a negative ion. Opposites attract with incredible force, snapping together into a rigid 3D grid called a crystal lattice. This powerful grid is why salt is a hard crystal with a very high melting point. But it's also brittle. Hit a salt crystal and the layers shift, like charges repel, and the entire structure shatters. But what if no atom is strong enough for a heist? That leads to the second choice, sharing. In a covalent bond, two nonmetals cooperate, sharing electrons to complete their shells. This forms discrete individual units called molecules. Think of water or wax. While the bonds inside each molecule are strong, the attraction between separate molecules is usually very weak. That's why these substances often have low melting points and are soft. They're also electrically neutral, which is why pure water and sugar don't conduct electricity. Finally, there's the metallic bond, a unique community of metal atoms. Here, they don't just pair up, they pool their outer electrons into a vast flowing sea that moves freely around the positive metal cores. This electron sea acts as a flexible conductive glue. It's why you can hammer copper into a thin sheet without it breaking. The atoms just slide past each other. And it's why that copper wire can carry electricity, as the sea of electrons flows instantly. Theft, sharing, or a communal sea. These three atomic decisions are all that's needed to build our world, from a fragile salt crystal to a life-giving water molecule to a conductive copper wire.